You can track the engagement of your members both across your community and within learning products such as courses. This score is based on what actions they take. So for example, if they comment, if they react, if they upload an assignment, it all adds up to a score per user. And you can adjust that. But first, let's look at this score. So navigate to the admin side panel, click on Insights, and then Engagement. And for this community, you can see the total score of all your members based on the actions they're taking. And each individual member has a score, which you can sort, so you can find people who are maybe falling a little bit behind or are leading. Let's go ahead and edit the weights. So this is how you can adjust how each member achieves their score. So by default, every member gets a point based on what actions they take. So if they send a direct message, they get 1 point. If they add a comment, they get 1 point. You can adjust this. So let's just say we didn't find that direct messages were a useful measure of engagement. We can reduce that to 0. And maybe things like adding a comment really is important. So we're going to bump that up to 3. And now their score is going to change. You can use this score to actually inform the leaderboard. So you can actually embed leaderboards in your community dashboard or within a course dashboard. I hope that's helpful.